show you my farming journey. When I was 8 years old, I come to farming firstly out of a concern for the environment and a love for the good food. Before planting the seeds, we need to prepare the land. I am using this hand equipment for preparing the land. This time, we are going to plant red radish, carrot, brinjal, tomato, green chili, beetroot seeds. After preparing the land, we will start to plant the seeds. I learned the farming from my sweet father. He taught me everything about the farming. My experience was short and sweet, but I have never been able to forget it. I will show the plant growth and the harvesting in the upcoming videos. So don't forget to see my next videos.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Journey Details.